This meeting is being recorded.
Last class you have seen prepared statement. Okay, see statement, 3 programs you studied. Prepared statement, 2 programs you studied. Now today callable statement. So statement, prepared statement, callable statement. In a statement interface, 3 programs you studied. 3 programs. Prepared statement, 2 programs. Okay, now callable statement. Note down. Callable statement. It is used to execute PLSQL programs. It is used to execute PLSQL programs. It is used to execute PLSQL programs. Here, callable statement derived from prepared statement. Callable statement derived from prepared statement. Prepared statement derived from statement. Callable statement derived from prepared statement. Prepared statement derived from statement. It is hierarchy. This is which type of inheritance? Multi-level inheritance. Note on this one. Multi-level inheritance. Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. Statement inherited in prepared statement inherited in callable statement. I'll ask one question, give me answer. By using callable statement reference, can I access prepared statement methods? Yes or no? By using callable statement reference, can I access statement methods? Yes or no? So by using callable statement reference, you can access prepared statement methods also, statement methods also. That's what your special methods are not there. With these methods only we can access. See how to use, I'll explain. Now one PLSQL program we have to write with that possible. For this, see. Now PLSQL request I'll pass. PLSQL request. Previous all programs you have seen SQL. Now it is PLSQL. It is Java application. It is Oracle database. Request is now PLSQL request. PLSQL response. So don't forget JDBC. In next topic only, Solid JDBC I'll integrate. Again also required. Okay, whatever you are learning is all. Again while teaching Solids, JDBC Solid integration part I'll teach. Again after learning JSP, Solid JDBC Java Bean, all I'll mix. Like that I'll cover integration part. That's what don't forget. Java application, Oracle database. I'm sending PLSQL request. So on procedure I'll write. See, suppose student table. In this table, suppose two records are there. Suppose same, whatever you studied, roll number, name, marks. Roll number, name, marks. Here. Assume two records are there. Turn off your video. Two records are there. I want to insert one record with PLSQL program. I want to insert one record, PLSQL. So one PLSQL program, turn off your videos. If I click, it is vanished. See, roll number, name, marks. Two records are there. Database side, one PLSQL program I'll write. PLSQL program. How many people completed PLSQL? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Just 10, 15 members only. Okay. See, I'll teach one PLSQL program also. Suppose insert pro, one procedure. Myself I'll create. For that, 3 parameters. Roll number, name, marks. I'll write. This is a procedure I'm going to write in database. Through Java program I'll run. See, at the command prompt, again I'll pass at the command prompt, Java callable statement demo. Here I'll pass roll number 3, name of the candidate, marks of the candidate. Like this I'll pass. Here, this procedure I'll call here, call insert pro. Call is a reserved word. Here you can pass question mark, question mark, question mark. Like this will write. Here, these 3 I'll insert here. This triple C I'll insert here. This 87 I'll insert here. Then this is going to be stored in R. This is going to be stored in N. This is going to be stored in M. Now, here, roll number 3, triple C, 87. This is executed whenever this procedure executed. See, what we'll do, see, like a prepared statement type only appears, but little bit difference. What's the difference is, here SQL is not there. See, no query, no query. I'm calling procedure. Inside the procedure, SQL will be there. That's what it is called, procedural language SQL. So insert pro, it's a procedure name. This I'll create. See, you studied statement interface. While writing statement interface programs, what you learned is, while learning statement interface, query we written, values also we written. Query and values, statement. While learning prepared statement, we written query, values dynamically passed. But no query, no values. Query also not there. Is there any insert query? No. Inside the procedure, I'll write the query. That's what? Procedural language. In that SQL, PLSQL. So it is nothing but it's like a method. In Java, methods will write no. Inside a method, n number of lines of code you can write. Whenever you call the method, method executed. Up to that, not executed. Like that, here, Here we'll write one procedure. Inside the procedure, we'll write SQL queries. This procedure permanently stored in the hard disk. Through Java program, I'm calling that procedure. For that, callable statement required. This is today task. All right, this one. After JDBC, Solid's onwards, total Java programming style is going to be changed. Okay. Internet applications, online shopping, online exams, online results, those all will be there. For that also JDBC compulsory. That's what JDBC don't forget. While teaching solids, JDBC solid I'll mix. Integration part will be there. So solids onward, Java is very interesting. All online applications, internet applications will build. So end of the course, you can develop your own website also. If you are very regular, if you practice everything, it is possible to develop your own website. End of the course. Dynamic website, not only static. Dynamic website possible. If you are very regular, if you follow each and every program, it is possible. Is it over? Here, Java application, Oracle database. But this request is PLSQL request, PLSQL response. So at the command prompt, I'll execute the program like this. 3 arguments I'm passing. This argument index is 0, 1, 2. Here question mark number is 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is 0, 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3. Because this is array. That's what starts with 0. It is not array. That's what 1, 2, 3. Okay. At the command prompt, I'll pass roll number 3 CCC87 like this. These all placed in question marks. But here just what I'm doing, see, call insert pro. Insert pro nothing but one procedure name. That name whatever you want you can write. Myself I given insert pro. That any name you can write. ABC, XYZ, whatever you want. Inserting purpose, I am writing one procedure. That's what insert pro given. Whatever you want you can write. Okay. So inserting SQL, inserting one record, I'm writing procedure. So in a multiple SQL queries also you can write inside the procedure. It is nothing but Java methods are there, no? Instance method, class method, constructors you study, no? Like that. Like that, one procedure you have to write. This procedure I'm going to call through Java. That is the concept. That's what it is called, callable statement. We are calling procedure. Okay. How to write? See. Now, first we have to write the procedure. Now, connected to Oracle database. Now, procedure we have to write here. Procedure we have to write here. This procedure is going to be stored permanently in the database. This procedure I'm going to call from Java. Okay. Now, so first of all, select the star from student. How many records are there? 7. That means I'm going to insert 8th record. Okay. Now, procedure I'll write first. See how to write procedure. Listen, it is actually in a Oracle class you'll learn. Oracle class. But just one procedure I'll show you. Here, create or replace procedure name. Suppose insert pro. I written. If you write like this, no. If I write like this, you observe. Create or replace procedure name. That means we are going to create this procedure. If this procedure name already present, replace. So create or replace procedure name. If this procedure already present, it is replaced. If this procedure is not there, created. That is syntax. Create or replace procedure name. After that, how many parameters required? Now 3 parameters selected. R, N, M. R like a roll number, N like a name, M like a marks. Now R which type? Data type you have to mention. Okay. Which type? Number. It is not Java. It is Oracle. Okay. Number type. Number you can write. Okay. But you should not specify size like this in procedure. If you write like this, error comes. Reason, already memory allocated for that. Just a type you have to mention, that much only allocates. Whatever is there. Otherwise, you do not know which data type I also is specified. What you can do is you can write like this. Student table, in that roll number, percentile type. If you write like this. In a student table, roll number type. In a student table, roll number type. Whatever type is there, that type. That a roll number is not appearing. 1 minute. See, N. Student table name. Whichever type is there, that type. So, student table, roll number type, whatever type is there, that type. That is which type also no need to specify now. If you write like this. Whatever type is there, that type applicable. Marks. Student table, marks, type. Like this. After that, as. That is syntax. Begin. Here query. Insert into student values. R, N, M. End. Semicolon. Slash. Then procedure created. This is I am going to call from Java. Now, this procedure, whatever I given this procedure, this is this procedure. You can write. See, once again, what I'll explain, you observe. Create, we are creating or replace. If already is there, replace. Procedure name. Procedure name, insert pro. This procedure already present, replaced. Not there, created. three parameters R, N, M. We have to specify type. You can write number varchar to number, like that you can write. Otherwise you can write like this: student table roll number type, whichever type is there, that type. In a student table name type, whichever type is there, that type, like that applied. After that it is syntax as, after that begin, after that SQL query, after that end semicolon slash. If you write like this, procedure created. This procedure I'm going to run through Java. Now this is permanently will be there. This procedure n number of times in n number of application you can use. No need to write again insert query. Insert query is there here only. This is just you can call with this name. See, uh, everything you can write in the main method also. But instead of writing in a main method, you are writing separate method. That method you are calling from main method again and again. That type. This query I written inside the procedure. This procedure now n number of times you can utilize. Then the query is going to be executed. Okay. Write this procedure. Procedure example. Write this one. Is it over? So insert pro is a procedure name. That name, whatever you want, you can write. This is procedure name. Whatever you want, you can write. These R, N, M parameters. This R, M, N. These are called parameters. These are types. Whichever type is applicable, that is applicable. Okay. Is it over? This procedure, how to call through Java. See. See. Procedure created. You can call through Java. So callable statement demo. All right. Now, first connection establishment. What we are right? Class dot for name. What is the driver? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Next connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. How many parameters? Which type? String type. What is the first string? URL. What is the URL? Colon Oracle colon thin colon localhost colon 1521 XC. Next username system. Password manager. With this connection established, all method throws exception. So how to handle try catch blocks? Okay. Otherwise, print stack trace also you can write. Print stack trace only. What is the difference is number will be printed. Line number also printed. Now import java.sql.star. This is everyday required connection. After this, now are we going to execute SQL query or PLSQL? For that, which interface required? Callable statement. So callable statement, something CSTMT equal to which method you have to call? Which method? Prepare call. That is in which interface? Connection. So connection reference dot prepare call. Here we have to write procedure. Call insert pro. We have to write like this. You have to write question mark. That is syntax. You have to write like this only. Call insert pro. Call insert pro like this. 3 question marks. These 3 question marks we have to fill. In a prepared statement, some methods you have seen to fill. Setter methods. Set int, set string. That type of methods you have seen. No? Prepared statement methods. Can I call with callable statement? Yes or no? Yes, because callable statement is a sub-interface of prepared statement. Using sub-interface reference, super interface method you can access. So you can call. So what you write? CSTMT dot set int question mark number 1. At the command prompt will pass args of 0. Args of 0 which type? String type to integer. How about convert? Percent. Integer dot percent. Args of 0. Next CSTMT dot set string 2 comma args of 1. See, question mark number 1. It is question mark number 2. It is question mark number 3. That's what 1, 2, next one 3. Second, it is roll number integer, name string, marks integer. That's what set in, set string, set in. 1, 2, 3. It is integer required, but here all will come string format. Integer required conversion. String required directly I passed. But again 3 integer required. Again what you have write? Integer dot percent. Args of 2. Now at last CSTMT dot execute. Now execute also works. Execute update also. Execute query also. Because query is not here. Query is there. Query is there inside the procedure. That's what anything you can write. After that, one message. One record inserted successfully. Okay. Now you observe first with these 2 lines connection established. Here, prepare call. Procedure call prepared. That is incomplete. Here filled. Values are filled. Then completed. When you call execute method, Java to database, that is passed. They are executed. Then message comes. While executing these statements, if any problem occurred, exception. Okay. Now, file, save. Here, callable statement, CS demo. Okay, CS demo. Save. Now, I'll open command prompt. CD slash here. See already how many records are there? See, select a star from student. 7 records. 8th record I'm going to insert. Java CS demo dot Java. No, sorry. It is also latest feature is there, no? Box. See, 1 minute. In my system also problem occurred. Program successfully compiled. Execution. 1 minute. Now roll number 8. So my system also not working now. The network adapter error. This is we cannot solve. One minute. So localhost spelling mistake happened. Okay, 1 minute. This mistake also that error coming. Sometimes it will be happen. The errors we cannot predict in this oracles. That's what. So actually localhost mistake happened. Spelling mistake. I thought that is not working. Local host. So problem is here also. See that network adapter error. If everything is right, but still you are getting network adapter error means we cannot solve. We have to uninstall. If everything is right, still it is coming that error means. But here actually spelling mistake happened. See, compilation, CS demo.java. Now roll number 8. One record inserted successfully. We can check. See, roll number 8. Okay. See, if everything is right in a URL, but still you are getting network adapter error, could not establish the connection. That is we cannot solve. That is you have to uninstall, install. If everything is right. Now, one record inserted successfully. Here you observe with these 2 lines connection established. But here what I am doing in this program SQL query also not there. Where is SQL query? Inside the procedure. Where is procedure? in database. It is database permanently stored. It is permanently will be there. That is I'm calling from Java. So values also not there in program, and SQL query also not there. Okay. Now I'm calling that procedure. Here question mark 1, 2, 3. That's what this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. It is roll number integer, name string, marks integer. That's what set in, set string, set int. At the command prompt, all string format comes. That is the reason converting string to integer. It is string only. It is converting. Roll number, marks, you have to convert. Conversion purpose, this method, parseInt in integer class. Static method. Static method you have to call with class name. That's what integer.parseInt. Okay. After that, when this line executed, it is passed to database, executed, you will get output. This is callable statement program. Note down. Program to demonstrate callable statement. Program to demonstrate callable statement interface. See, one procedure how to execute you studied, but how to create procedures, almost 20 classes you will study in Oracle class, 20 days about procedures. SQL, PLSQL, almost 2 months you are learning, no? That is also on course. Here, only 3-4 SQL queries, one PLSQL program I explained, but compulsory learn Oracle. It is compulsory. While developing projects, SQL, PLSQL, very depth required. Okay. Is it over? No. Is it over? See, 3 programs, statement interface you studied. 3 programs. Next, 2 programs, prepared statement. 1 program, callable statement. So, these 6 examples, more than enough. Only SQL queries different, PLSQL programs different. But Java programs are same. No change. Okay. Next, result set enhancements. Next heading, result set enhancements. Result set enhancements. Next concept. So you already studied result set. That result set is enhanced. Added some features. Okay. What is result set? Result set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. Result set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. Result set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. See, whenever you pass select query, you are getting result set. Whenever you pass select query, you are getting result set. That result set contains all records. So that it depends upon SQL query. That is also given last class, previous classes. Result set is generated based on SQL query. Result set is generated based on SQL query. Result set is generated based on SQL query. So if I write select a star from student, all records, all columns comes. If I write select roll number marks from student, 2 columns comes, all records. Select roll number from student, 1 column comes. Select roll number, select a star from roll student where employee number equal to 5, 1 record comes. Select a star from student where marks are greater than 70, many comes, whatever is there, 70 above. That query, n number of you can write, because select query only 100 types you can write. We learn in Oracle class, those who didn't study till. Okay, that query returns result set. That is based on query. Based on SQL query, number of records, number of columns will be there. Whenever result set generated, where is the result set pointer cursor? First record or before first record? before first record. That is also write it. Whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. These 3 points already studied. Now, what are the enhancements given? I'll explain. Write it. Result set enhancements are divided into 2 categories. First one, result set types. Second one, concurrency types. First one, result set types. Second one, concurrency types. First one, result set types. There are 3 types of result set. There are 3 types of result set. There are 3 types of result set. See, I'll open at the command prompt. Java p java.sql.result set. I'll copy to a file. The file I'll open here. Type. These are variables like. All right, first one, second one, third one. First one, type forward only. Second one, type scroll insensitive. Third one, type scroll sensitive. What are these in a library? Variables or methods or classes or interfaces or packages. If you see, you'll understand. Complete line if you see, you'll understand. Are these variables or methods or classes or interfaces or packages? What are these? Variables. Public static final int is a no. It is variable name. It is variable name. Variable name. Integer type variable. Public static final constants. We cannot change. Public. Anywhere you can access. It is static variable. Final variable. You cannot change the value. The above all are variable class variable. The all are class variables in result set interface. The above all are class variables in result set interface. Over. Now one result set. What's the difference? You have to learn. First one, type forward only. Like that only write better. This type of result set introduced in JDBC 1.0 version. It is a default result set type. It is a default result set type. This type of result set introduced in JDBC 1.0 version. It is a default result set type. It is a default. So already result set program is studied, no? That is this result set only. Because default. Scroll sensitive, scroll insensitive. If you write, that is. If you don't write anything, by default type forward only. What's the difference? I have to explain. Next, write it. It allows to iterate records. It allows to iterate records in forward direction only. It allows to iterate records in forward direction only. It allows to iterate records in forward direction only. Say you studied next method. Next method. What it will do? It returns true and moves a cursor to next record. Like that, next you have seen. Back, not possible. Because this is forward only. Type forward only. First, this is introduced. It doesn't support backward, only forward direction. Once if the control came to fifth record, if you want to move the cursor to fourth record, not possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that you can print. Suppose otherwise you moved next 5 times you moved. Fifth record printed. After printing fifth, suppose second record required. Not possible. You have to close the results connection. Again you have to establish. Again after getting result set, again first from the beginning. So once if it is moved cursor means if you want to move back, not possible. That is the reason this name is called type forward only. Okay. Next. It does not support absolute position and relative position. It does not support absolute position and relative position. It does not support absolute position and relative position. It does not support absolute position and relative position. So what is absolute, what is relative? I have to explain. That is after completion of notes, I'll explain. Anyhow, this doesn't support. The remaining supports. Okay. After giving notes, I'll explain. Next. Second one. Type. Type scroll sensitive or insensitive. Type scroll insensitive. This type of result set introduced in JDBC 2.0 version. This type of result set introduced in JDBC 2.0 version. This type of result set introduced in JDBC 2.0 version. It allows to iterate records in both forward and backward directions. It allows to iterate records both in forward and backward directions. So back also possible. Forward, backward, both. It supports both absolute and relative positions also. It supports both absolute and relative positions also. I have to explain what is absolute, what is relative. I have to explain. After completion of notes, I'll explain with the diagrams. Next. It will not show changes made by others in a distributed database management system, DDBMS. It will not show changes made by others in a distributed database management system, DDBMS. Third one, I'll explain what is that. I'll explain with the diagrams. I'll explain. Type scroll sensitive. This type of result set introduced in JDBC 2.0 version. This type of result set introduced in JDBC 2.0 version. It allows to iterate records in both forward and backward directions. Just note down, tomorrow class I'll explain all. Because with the diagrams, I'll explain. It supports both absolute and relative positions also. It supports both absolute and relative positions also. It will show changes made by others in a distributed database management system. In short, DDBMS. It will show changes made by others in a distributed database management system. So insensitive, sensitive, only one difference is there. Insensitive will not show, sensitive will show. What is changes made by others? I would explain. With the diagrams, I'll explain. Tomorrow class, I'll explain. Next, concurrency types. These are result set types. Next, concurrency types. There are two types of concurrency control. On result set. There are two types of concurrency control on result set. There are two types of concurrency control on result set. First one, second one. The above two, the all are variables, class variables in result set. These are notes only I'm giving today. Tomorrow I'll explain with the diagrams. Just one more point, last point. Conquer read only. Allows only read operation concurrently. Whereas conquer updatable allows all operations concurrently. Only one difference. Conquer read only allows only read operation concurrently, whereas conquer updatable allows all operations concurrently. Conquer read only allows only read operation concurrently, whereas conquer updatable allows all operations concurrently. So concurrency control, multi-threading synchronization concept is studied. No? Even if you don't know also, I'll explain. Conquer read only, conquer updatable. More than one person can read, but I cannot update. But here, anything possible. More than one person at a time. These all with the diagrams you'll get a clarity. Tomorrow class I'll explain. Okay, we'll see continuation tomorrow. These notes only are given. I have to explain absolute position, relative position, conquer read only, conquer updatable, and result set types. It will show distributed database management system. These all I have to explain. Okay, with the diagrams I'll explain in tomorrow class. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Online students, wait 2 minutes for your doubts. Online students, everyone will clarify your doubts. Say procedure. If you want to execute at the SQL prompt, exec we ought write execute exec. Java P configuration. Okay, I'll share in Google Classroom. Just a 1 minute wait. SQL commands. Yeah, SQL command inside the procedure will be there. Class not found exception means class path setting. Already video is there. You watch the video in Google Classroom link already shared. Temporary path working, permanent not working. That means that is your mistake only. You see the video, you'll understand. Callable statement, super interfaces, prepared statement. You can access. Execute update also okay, execute also okay. Just a 1 minute wait, online students. One minute. Top. This is next. Yeah, if you want to close the connection, finally block you can use. Finally block. Google Classroom link, you have to contact admin. I am not responsible for that. Why variables in uppercase is constants are in uppercase. Now today program like a prepared statement, but only query inside the procedure will be there. If you are facing Eclipse means Krishna Agrahari. Just mail to my mail ID, system admin number I'll share. Yeah, Sravanti, we can write callable statement, insert all update, anything you can write inside the procedure. Anand Eclipse. My edit plus is 1 month only will be there. After that, just you can move the dialog box, you can work. After 1 month also you can work. Geeta Rani. If you are getting could not found main class means JDK lib class path you have to set. You mail to my mail ID, I'll give a reply. Without knowing PLSQL program, we cannot execute PLSQL program. You should know that what they written inside. Yeah, prepared statement is super interface. Abhilash, without advanced Java, you can learn a Selenium, possible. Mohan, variable in uppercase, constants only in uppercase. Yeah, notes I'll share, Santosh, okay. Selenium, yeah, just find out in a website. Yeah, notes I'll share in a Google Classroom. Permanent path means that it may be mistake, Geeta. You written mistake, I think. Otherwise, screenshots will share to my mail ID. Execute method, DDL queries only accepts, but here that SQL query not here. That's what we can write. JDK2 not working. JDK4 working means you continue with 4 only, because 2 is not required. Sometimes 2 is not working. Sravanti. Vishnu Sagar, yes. Execute update also works. Yeah, compulsory try catch. Hemant. Gaurav, yeah. PLSQL programs stored in a database side. Database can be anywhere, Java program can be anywhere. That type of programming, solid you'll learn. Vishnu Sagar, yeah. SQL queries, static SQL query also you can write. Sagar, I'll share in Google Classroom. Pravalika, callable statement is a sub-interface of prepared statement. Is a relationship. Prepare statement inside what will be there, that is unnecessary for you, because that is statement, prepared statement unnecessary. That is, if you learn also time waste, no use. Venkatesh, JDBC not executed. Just you screenshots mail to my mail ID. Srikanth, my mail ID this is. This is my mail ID. Open cursor problem. I didn't understand where you are getting. Procedure call program. This is procedure call program. Mails, Saturday night I given reply to all. Saturday night. Yeah, PLS skill also you have to learn. Compulsory. Vindhya. Yes, Mohan. Those are capital letters. Constants. That's what. Vishnu Sagar. Yeah. EXEC. That is, you can execute at the skill prompt. But Java means call procedure you have to write. Prakash. Permanent class path not working means that is your mistake only. Missing in and or out parameter. That maybe you written Kiran. Maybe small mistake in procedure. Yeah, Saturday night I given reply to all. Yeah, MySQL also possible. Procedure created with compilation error means you have to check it out syntax. Okay, Hemant, I'll give. Now procedure, inside the procedure, anything execute you can write. In edit place only, if you want to run configuration required. That configuration file I'll share in Google Classroom. Yeah, statement is super interface for prepared statement. Prepared statement is super interface for callable statement. Kiran Kumar, missing in or out parameter means your message mistake only. Ashutosh, after Solid introduction, you can join in spring class. Srinivasa Prasad, Java P is not working means you need to set the path to JDK pin. Mail to my mail ID, I'll give a reply. Result set is different, metadata is different. Result set is data will be there. Get metadata means metadata comes. Venkatesh, how to configure edit plus run tools. I shared in core Java edit plus software paths. I'll share here also. Static query, if you want to write, you can write. Call only procedure name. Srinivas Prasad, already told. Java P command, JDK bin, you have to set the path. As a Java developer means full stack Java complete. If you learn, it is better. Hemant, Ashutosh. Hemant, present here I am not taking frameworks. Other faculty can attend because present my slots also not free. Metadata means data about data. Vishnu Sagar. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Database metadata example. It is nothing, just you call the methods. Inside the interface, methods are there, you can call. We'll get it. Okay, we'll see tomorrow.